Hi guys, welcome to Focus Android. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Ghost Mode on Snapchat. When Ghost Mode is enabled, your location will not visible to anyone on Snap Map, including your friends. This provides complete privacy to your whereabouts. The first step is to open the Snapchat application, then go to Profile in the top left corner, then go to Settings in the top right corner. Next, we scroll down and tap See My Location. Here you can see Ghost Mode, and we can tap on the switch button to active Ghost Mode. Then appears like this. You can choose how long this mode is active, for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until it is deactivated again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.